Hello, welcome to FoneDog, the mobile solution provider. Today we will learn how to use FoneDog Toolkit Android Data Recovery. Step 1. Connect your Android phone to computer. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on Android. Step 3. Choose file types to scan. Then click Next. The program will start scanning your device. Step 4. Recover deleted data from Android. When the scanning stops, the files under types you select will be listed in detail. Now you can preview the found data one by one. You can mark down the items you want and click Recover to save them all on your computer. That's all. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, come to FoneDog. We are very pleased to help you.